Yeah, man. As a voice clock tell you that say it's a record, make sure it's a record, you know. You understand? Markie J the man of the yard, man. Yeah, man. Make all labor right look like fraud. Come make me vote them, man. Vote out the labor right them. Leave down. Markie J. Markie G, what the man where you go run Jamaica? Tell Conjure, say fi back and leave ya, hey. Markie G, you go run Jamaica. All Jamaican make we set an example, well. Markie G, you go run Jamaica. Tell Conjure, say fi back and leave ya then. Markie G, you go run Jamaica. All Jamaican come make we set an example then. The one house now go work, my friend. If you love poor people, the love scheme give them. You stop fix the road, what make you do that again? You have to fix the road till we skate pan them. When we talk about enough house, just understand what we mean. Like out a 2-mile Porsche build the scheme. One house can't make the scheme neither. 2 house can't make the scheme. Now you want come thief over Portmore scheme. We not make no money, we can't live with him. We can't cook, we can't wash, we kids want ice cream. Say my goal in a you, I go run Jamaica. Tell Conjure, say fi back and leave ya, hey. Markie G, how you a run bout ya? All Jamaican come make we set an example, well. Markie G, how you a run bout ya? Tell Conjure, say fi back and leave ya, hey. My goal in a run Jamaica. All Jamaican come make we set an example, well. Andrew say, bomb threat they are him yard. When we check it out, the argument I did fraud. Through him well, tell him don't leave the yard. Markie G a done, you no deal with fraud. 3rd term, them want drive we crazy. 2 term already, look what them do to we. Hey bro, God, you know, say you know easy. You build up house, give people for them bikini. Now you take back the house and you take back the land. Sir Conjure, I move like alien. I couldn't Spanish town you come from. My hole in a the man we go run Jamaica. Tell bro G if he move from Boya, hey. Markie G you go run Jamaica. All Jamaican come make we set an example, well. My hole in a go run Jamaica. Tell Conjure if he move from Boya, hey. Markie G you go run Jamaica. All Jamaican don't ever set an example, well now. I want to listen and understand. On election day, just vote for this man. Markie G is the man with the plan. The one Conjure is a con of this man. No listen to a word when they hear him a twang. 28 bank account the man having his hand. Still poor people still can't find food for yam. The man no give a damn about education. The imprison make we vote out the man. Make we vote them out. Make we vote them out. Markie G, a the man we fi run Jamaica. Tell Conjure, say fi pack and leave ya then. Markie G, you go run Jamaica. All Jamaican come make we set the example then. My goal in fi run Jamaica. Tell Conjure, say fi back and leave ya, hey. Markie G, you fi run Jamaica. Hey Jamaica, make we set the example then. The whole heap of promise now work again. If you love poor people, the love school give them. You stop clean the road, start clean them again. And stop walk and patch up the patrol them. When we talk about fix the road, just understand what we mean. And we no want no patrol for in the scheme. 1 patch can't patch the road neither. 2 patch can't patch no road. Well, we want the road for fix and look sparkling clean. You will take the money, you alone and look clean. We can't cook, we can't wash kids.